Hi there. I am representing webtrackofficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I am going to show you how you can get a web hosting with cheapest price possible without compromising speed and features. For this video, I am going to go with Hostinger. Hostinger is a popular web hosting provider known for its affordable and reliable hosting services. Hostinger is known for its high-speed performance with SSD storage and caching technologies to improve website speed. Whether you are starting a personal blog, a business website, or an online store, Hostinger offers a range of hosting solutions to meet your needs. So let's begin. I also had previously created a HostGator video. Check out the video by clicking here. I am currently in my Hostinger panel. You can simply sign up using your Google account. So to get a new hosting, simple click Get New Hosting Plan. I'm going to choose their premium web hosting plan as it comes with a free domain. This plan also includes free unlimited SSL, 100 email accounts, weekly backups and much more. You can explore further if you want. Click Select. I am going to choose 12 months billing cycle, and still I am getting a 60% off. Pretty impressive. My card is already added, so let's proceed to payment processing. Click Complete Payment. You need to verify the transaction by entering the one-time password sent to your registered email address or mobile number. And here you can see, the payment is successful. Click Continue to proceed. Now if you want to migrate your site, select Migrate, or just simply click Create. Select WordPress. If you want to know how you can create a WordPress website for free, watch my video here. Create login credentials for your WordPress admin dashboard. Select what type of website you're creating. Select any theme if you want. I am gonna skip this one as well. Now here, claim your free domain. It's available. Select your desired domain from the list and click Next. Now click Finish Registration, and we're almost done. Wait while the domain is registering. To ensure the faster page speed, choose the appropriate data center. I am going to choose France. And finally the WordPress is also installing. It's a pretty straightforward process and we didn't face any errors or complications. So if this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.